Hey guys, here we are sharing with you the process and lot of information about my new abstract art painting. Hope you will enjoy the process and making of the painting as much as I enjoyed it. Abstract art, also called non-objective art or non-representational art, painting, sculpture, or graphic art in which the portrayal of things from the visible world plays little or no part. Abstract art or all art consists largely of elements that can be called abstract elements of forms, colors, line, tone, and texture. I have used in my painting lot of blues and neutrals. In particular, the blues are blue turquoise, phthalo turquoise, cobalt blue, raw sienna, and I have highlighted my painting with fluorescent orange. I have played with the neutrals along with the previously said colors, that is titanium white, black and grey. Tools used in my painting are spatulas, flat brushes, wipers. I hope the tutorial would be of great help to the ones who are beginning their journey in abstract art painting. Don't forget to like, comment my video, subscribe to my channel, share the video with friends and family. Thank you.